Oh my God, what am I doing here?
For the past 2 weeks, few of us brothers camped in this room, working day and night, making plan how to make our masjid running and perform the salah in the new mosque facilities. So it was not only about the construction part of the masjid, also how to raise the funds. All these boards you can see about that. The brothers could not even see their families in that week because they were here up from Fajr till late night. So let's go out and see what we have been doing, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, the wudu area and the toilets which we are placing, they are world-class Jibril system, and there will be more wall mounted to keep the area hygienic. Similarly, on each floor there will be 5-6 toilets with wudu area, inshallah. So here you go, this is our new mosque salah area. This is for the brothers and for the sisters upstairs, and here you go, this is the member. So inshallah, within this coming few weeks, this entire area will be underfloor heating and ready to be used, inshallah. Many people are welcome in our masjid, including themselves. Although the children of our duty will not spend time in the masjid, but yours will. So make sure you do that. That is going to be the entrance of the masjid, all the way from the behind the masjid. The cars will come from this side and go and exit with one-way system, inshallah. And this all front of the masjid place will be converted into the car park with the tawfiq of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What do we want from you are 3 things. Firstly, you can make lots of dua that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept the donations of all those who have helped us and make this masjid legacy for all of us. Secondly, your donations. We need a huge help from you, your donations, to complete this project. And lastly, don't make your beloved ones lose the reward of this great legacy. Invite them, introduce this project to them, and ask them to help and support and make dua and to donate. JAZAKALLAH-HU-KHAIRA.